Sooqr's powerful ranking rules will boost your conversion and sales. To implement them, go to Site Search, Ranking Rules. With ranking rules, you let Sooqr show the products that matter to you the most within a result list, as these rules allow you to influence the scoring of specific products. A ranking rule can demote or boost products based on a specific query or date. You can specify a start and end date to trigger rules during specific periods, for rules that are only required during the holiday season, for example. Add a new ranking rule with the Add New Rule button. Use the Edit button to change an existing rule and the Delete button to remove a rule. Once you click Add New Rule to create a new ranking rule, you can fill in the following fields. Name. Type in a descriptive name of your ranking rule. Boost conditions. Once a rule matches the current query, specific documents have to be targeted. The boost conditions specify which documents will be influenced. You can match documents by text values or numeric values. The last value type supports ranges. Note, for boost conditions, it is important that you copy the exact same value as in your data feed. When the value is not the same as in your feed, your rule won't work. Next, set the boost level of your rule. How much do you want to pro or demote it? If you want to activate your ranking rule only in a specific period, you can specify a start date and an end date. Query triggers. Here you have two options: all queries and specific queries. Whenever you are triggering the rule on specific queries, you can use different query notations. These rule matching options give you fine-grained control over which query triggers your rules. To use a keyword matching option, just add the appropriate punctuation to your keyword. You can set each search targeted keyword to have one of the following 4 settings. Broad match. It allows your rule to trigger on similar phrases and relevant variations. Phrase match. Allows your rule to trigger for searches that match the exact phrase. Exact match. Allows your rule to trigger for searches that match the exact term exclusively. Negative match. Ensures that your rule does not trigger for any search that includes that term. Hit save when you're done. Start using ranking rules today to tell Sooqr what products matter to you the most.